Hey there, tech enthusiasts, and welcome to Safety Detectives. I've tested and reviewed dozens of cleaners out there, and here's my countdown for the most turbocharged cleanup ninja software available. But what exactly are PC cleaners, and how are we sizing them up? Think of PC cleaners as your computer's personal janitor, tidying up, optimizing performance, and keeping things running smoothly. We're comparing them based on ease of use, effectiveness, feature variety, and system impact. Just one quick thing before we dive into the full list: if at any point you want to get any of these PC cleaners, we'll have a direct link in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out. Using our links gets you the best available deal and greatly supports our channel, which we really appreciate. Right out of the gate, Avira's interface feels like a gentle pat on the back. It's intuitive and makes even the least tech-savvy user feel like they're an expert in PC optimization. And for tools from a startup optimizer to a game booster, Avira boasts almost 40 PC cleanup and optimization tools, which is insane. In plain English, it's like having your own IT support staff with experts to fix every single problem imaginable from your computer. For perspective, during my test run, Avira pulled a Thanos on my hard drive, making unnecessary files vanish with a snap. With the junk file cleaner alone, it whisked away a whopping 1.3 gigabytes of clutter on my hard drive. And the starter optimizer sped up my PC startup time by 30 seconds. Enough time saved to make a quick coffee. Avira's advanced diagnostic tools is nothing short of a masterpiece, displaying metrics from startup speed to RAM in intuitive charts and graphs that are easy to understand. Avira also provides a powerful game booster that provides great CPU performance advancements. While it does the heavy lifting optimizing everything for smooth gameplay, Norton still takes the top podium in this race. But let's not forget about Avira's stellar anti-malware engine, ensuring that any digital invaders from PUPs to adware are shown the exit door promptly. Now, while Avira does offer a free taste of its capabilities, to get the full culinary experience, you'd want to purchase Avira Prime. It's Avira's best valued plan, which provides a smorgasbord of tools and coverage for up to 5 devices. A bargain if I ever saw one. Alright, there you have it, guys. Before I sign off, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and smash the subscribe button for more videos like this one in the future. Stay tech savvy, and may your PC always run as smoothly as a hot knife through butter. Until next time, this is Safety Detectives signing off.